Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to unleash your Epson printer. In this case, it's an ET2850. It's also compatible with the ET2810 or the L3250 and so on. Why we are going to unleash our device? Because this is nice, because we do not have to look how this the level of our ink will be. This is up to yourself and not about the call of the Epson. For this we will need a printer USB to USB A cable, which we are going to connect with our personal computer. And then we are going to use the inkjet adjustment program. This is the first step. Download this from the inkjet.net homepage, and then you have to install this inkjet adjustment program to your computer. And after this, of course, you have to buy a key, and this key we can use to unleash our Epson printer. So watch where your printer model is on the homepage, and we can download the firmware, the activation, and we can start with it. Inkjet adjustment program is there in different languages available: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and Turkey. I downloaded it in English, okay? So we are going to run the software now. And then we can use the inkjet adjustment program after we are starting this program on our computer to scan our printer. That is the waste ink counter. Or we can make a deep cleaning if we like. So let's perform a waste ink counter now. We have to select now our printer, the ET2850 series printer here. Then we read the waste ink counter, and after this, of course, we can read the waste ink counter. If we read that, here you can see the counter is okay in this case, but maybe it's full throttle. Then you have to do this because of the service of the maintenance, or the printer will stop working. But now we are going to unleash this now by read the waste ink counter. After this, we enter the key, which comes by inkjet.net to us, and then we can restart the printer in order to finish the read process. After this, the volume of our printer ink is always full, so we have to look and make this job by ourselves to refill this if we need it. So we are unleashed now. And then we can restart the printer, and our Epson printer is unleashed on the way. Oh yeah, this is how we perform the inkjet adjustment program, waste ink counters, WIC rated utility for Epson printers. Now you can see the counter is okay. Of course, if we are making a firmware upgrade by Epson itself, we have to repeat this process again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.